Is your business connectivity services add-in apps broken by the Bcsaddin Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. As we prepare to resolve Bcsaddin Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Bcsaddin Library, the Business Connectivity Services BCS Outlook add-in. It manages the unmanaged synchronization of external business data from SQL or SharePoint with the Outlook UI. It facilitates the orchestration of real-time data link manifests for enterprise users. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Business Connectivity Services add-in installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Business Connectivity Services add-in is the fastest way to restore Bcsaddin Library DLL and get the program running again. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Bcsaddin library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing Bcsaddin library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Bcsaddin library management. If you've regained access to Bcsaddin library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.